Welcome back, guys. This is part 2 of my free boat. Today I'm going to try to get it to run. There she is. I have all the stuff I need. I'm going to show you guys that right now. All right, so I have almost everything I need. I'm going to use this right now to siphon out the gas. This, I needed these to hook up to the engine to put the hose into it to cool it down. I'm pretty sure that's what it does. I'm going to eventually do an oil change. I need to get oil first, and then this is some starter fluid, and then I got both new batteries. Just got them, so hopefully they're good. And yeah, let's get right into siphoning out that gas. All right, so now I'm going to use this, and I'm going to pump this 4 times, and gas should come out of this and go through here into this bucket. So let's see if we can try to get that to here. So now the gas is coming out from here. It's working pretty good. So now I'll just wait till that's done and I'll put new gas in it. All right, so while the gas is siphoning, I'm gonna show you guys all the things that I have to be able to start this. So I have 4 gallons of new gas because I'm siphoning out the old gas, so I need new gas. I have some starter fluid. This is for the oil. I'm gonna do an oil change. I have oil that I didn't bring over here, but I have it. I got this so I can cool down the engine. And then these 2 are just 2 new batteries because the ones that were in there were bad. So, yeah. All right, guys, so I got the gas siphoned out. There was this much and then some left over, but that's good enough. I took all of it out. So now I'm gonna put these batteries in it. And also I'm going to put the new fuel in it and throw some starter fluid in the carburetor. Try to get started. So I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this off. Those ain't gonna go anywhere near those. Can you tell me if it's coming out of that thing?
Squirting out of the side.
That's fine. How bad is it? That's good. That's good.
Coming out the steel side of the pipe.
It's all good. All right. Does this go up and down?
Yep. Now it's going down.
Okay. I'm gonna try to start it now. All right, guys. So basically, I'm here to explain what happened. So, first of all, the engine is locked up. I found that out. So, I have a video of a guy from his channel is called No Nonsense Know How or something like that. I'll leave it in the description below. But he has a video with the exact same situation that I had to do, and I couldn't record all the steps, so I'm gonna have to just show you guys this video real quick, and then I'll get back to you guys after that.
Even with that motor mount off, there's still nothing to rotate this engine, so I'll just use some oil filter pliers. I'm sure there's some other tool or method for rotating these. Oh, it rotates a little bit and then stops. Oh, there it goes. All right, got it rotating. Things are looking good. Oh, let's get.
All right, so basically I had to follow the same steps in the video, and I found this tool on YouTube that I'm gonna pop up right here, and I'll also put the link to that in the description so you guys can get it if you need to. And I had to do that, and I have a video of me unlocking the engine right now. All right, guys, so I've skipped a few steps here. I'm gonna explain everything that happened, but I got this thing unstuck. I'm gonna show you guys right now. It's moving the belt, it's moving everything. So now I just need a hand crank this a bunch of times and get all this crap out of there. But yeah, I got it unstuck, guys. All right, guys, so basically the engine is now free, and I'm gonna try to start it in the next episode. I have some other things going on with the boat that I'm gonna show you guys in the next episode, but that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys need any help with any of the things in the video, it'll be down in the description, or just comment and let me know if you guys need anything, and I'll let you guys know. But thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and love you guys.